recording again. What? This is the most active I've been on YouTube in years. It's summer break, so you know you're gonna see me again because I have nothing else to do. Literally nothing else. I'm trying to navigate all this free time and I don't know what to do with myself. And I'm actually back to cooking. Like, that's how bored I am. I'm cooking now. And I'm eating healthy. Like, what? Who knew that having more time could be the cure to eating like a pig? Who knew? If this is your first time seeing my video, like, comment, subscribe, because you're gonna want to stay because I'm pretty cool, I would say. I just went to Walmart, which is one of those things that I don't like to do because Walmart just gives me the heebie-jeebies. But sometimes I have to go to Walmart because I want to get kitchen appliances. So let's do a quick little haul of what I got from Walmart today. I kind of splurged, but mindful splurging, okay? So let's get into this. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. All right, so I got a blender. Story on the blender. First of all, I got a rink-a-dink blender at first from Walmart. Let me show you. Boom. I got a blender like this, the one you press down on. It didn't come with the blade in the box, so I was scammed. And it was honestly a very humbling experience because I invited my friends over. We were gonna do like a pool day. I was in charge of margaritas. I was thinking, ooh, I'm gonna do frozen margaritas. I'm gonna use my blender. Girl, I'm gonna throw it away actually because I can't even use her. So off with the old, in with the new. We got a mint blender, okay, and this one is kind of more aesthetically pleasing in my opinion anyway. So we're gonna do smoothies, so stay tuned for that. But the real star of the show is the crock pot. I got a crock pot, and the reason I got a crock pot is because I'm making beef stew today, which is one of my like childhood meals that I always used to eat. And yeah, got some chips because I was craving those. These are Clutch wild berry muffins from Walmart. I also got Jiffy because I'm gonna make some cornbread with the stew, some eggs, sweetened condensed milk because I'm gonna make arroz con leche, the sweet rice, and you know, a whole bunch of different stuff. But I did not get my meat from Walmart because there's this stigma around getting meat from Walmart, so I didn't. But I got that from Kroger. So it's Sunday. I'm making a home cooked meal, like a very like homey cooked meal because I haven't done that in a while. I'm actually really hungry because all I ate today was honeycombs, and I've been out shopping for the last 2 hours to get all of the ingredients. But I'm excited to cook, and it should be pretty easy because I'm just using a crock pot. So I'm gonna film a little bit, probably a little B-roll. I'm not gonna talk too much because I feel like I'm about to pass out. I need to eat something first. But I'm gonna put away all these groceries.
I bet the goodbyes are very hard for those you serve with jealous.
TikTok, not TikTok, LOL. That's how you know I've been on TikTok for way too much. Hey twins, we're officially at IKEA.
But you don't have nothing of that.
So we're at IKEA now, and we're just coming to look around. Honestly, I haven't been here since I was small, so. But I know they have like the showrooms and stuff, so I just want to look and see what I can see. So let's look around. They also have a food court in here, so maybe we'll check that out too. school desk. Look at this little lamp. Wow. I need like a table similar to this, like the same level, but like a different color. And also guys, I'm gonna be having a classroom in August, so I could also be looking for stuff for August as well. A virtual window. Currently lost. Don't know where the exit is. Alright, we made it to Top Golf, so we're about to go in. A lot of y'all might not know, but I played professional golf. Well, not professional, but competitive golf in high school. And he wanted to try to beat me. This is the score. We just started, so we gonna see. So we just ordered some nachos, and I got a little drink. Strawberry marg. Our first date was at Top Golf, so this is a full circle moment. Thank you. Oh, sure. If you haven't went to Top Golf, I definitely recommend. It is a great date spot. And the nachos are delicious. feel?
I'm fine. I'm about to have a comeback. I just need 3 swings. I'll catch up to 1,000.
Okay. You already know who won. Me. It's so crazy, y'all. I could play professional golf if I wanted to, but I just don't have the willpower to do it. But I have not lost my golf swing. It's like muscle memory. So it was really nice whenever I can like swing the golf club and just have fun and reminisce on my high school days. But yeah, we're about to head out. We're 45 minutes away from home. I just dropped my food. Ugh. So now I gotta throw it away. But this was fun. It's a nice little date night. So yeah, I have to throw this away because I dropped it.
Bro, drop it where?
I was standing there and it fell over.
Oh, it fell off.
But there's a trash can out here, I think. I know. It flipped over.
Touch the door. Like, it's good. It ain't even raining.
It was fun. Yeah, we thought it was gonna rain, but it actually didn't. Well, I thought it was gonna rain.
You gotta tell them about how I tore you up in the last game.
The last game, he did win. He did win.
Looking like Tiger Woods, isn't it?
But I'm still in the mood for something sweet, so we're probably gonna stop and get something like BJ's, Pazookies. That's what I'm feeling. How would you rate our date?
Well, started off a little rough. In and out strong. With a strong drive, 100 yards.
Hello. Last play.
Warner came in with the clutch.
You heard it there, people. I started off rolling the ball, but I did pretty good. Like I got the. It's like as soon as I hit it a few times, I remembered like what to do. So yeah. All right. All right, you guys, we made it back from our adventure today. Topgolf was fun and IKEA was cool. I really just went there for the vibes of, I don't know. So now we're just gonna chillax. We got some laundry to put away and stuff like that. I did want to show you guys what I got from IKEA though. His name is Globy. I'm gonna use him for my classroom. Maybe some type of talking piece or I don't know yet. But yeah, probably gonna watch some Love Island or something if I'm not too tired because I do have to shower. But thanks for watching. Hopefully this vlog was long enough or I'll add on some other stuff. If not now, then Twinn. Bye. Alright, we made it, y'all. It's hot. Goodness gracious. A&W. Hello. We're gonna eat here. So as you can see, we went to A&W. They have really good root beer floats. They're known for their root beer. And yeah, this was a pretty cool experience. I personally didn't really like my food as much, but the cheese curds were really, really yummy. Now it's is it? How is it? How is it? How is it?
It's good. They toast the bread too.
Yeah, like
It's a real good fast food restaurant. Fries crispy, they ain't salty. Barbecue sauce sweet.
cheese curds are really, really good. Like, they have a good flavor.
This was supposed to
And this is me trying their burger. The burger honestly was not bad. It was not bad. I got the bacon burger, but it's just the aftertaste for me. It was like a weird like taste. I'm pretty picky eater, but try it. We have a barbecue bacon crunch burger. Oh, that's the same one? Oh, I gotta get that next time. I didn't even see that.
In the parking lot.
Oh, that's our first time, so I'm like,
Well, next time y'all come,
okay. Hey guys, so we've just been sitting in the parking lot. I didn't really like my burger, so I started to figure something else out to eat because I didn't eat much. The burger isn't bad, it's just the aftertaste. I don't know. Like, it just tastes, the aftertaste wasn't very good to me. But I'm in the mood for pasta, so we're gonna go pick up something from Red Lobster. Probably their chicken Alfredo. And then get some biscuits. Yeah, get some biscuits. Hey twins, it's your girl, and we are going to a museum. It's a Bible, Christian Bible, biblical museum, art museum. Thank you. So we're about to head there now. What you know about him? Yes. Alright, you guys. Jami is running into Walmart real quick because I needed a lint roller for my dress. This is a new dress I'm wearing. It's super cute. Got it from Indie Clover, which is like this consignment slash thrift store. It's a Gap dress, but they had it like, you know, for cheaper. But look at how linty it is, bruh. I put it in the wash and it got so linty. I don't even know if you guys can see, but like, look at all that. And I don't have a lint roller, so I had to ask Jami to go get me one. Then we're gonna head to the museum. I'm really excited. They close at 5 and they're not open like throughout the week really, so this is like our only chance to go. So really excited. I just fell across it on TikTok and I was like, oh my gosh, this is 20 minutes for me. We have to go. And it's Sunday. We have not found a church here yet, and I feel like I want to find a church family. I usually just tune into church online, but Jami was actually off this morning and I feel kind of like convicted because I stayed up late last night on TikTok and didn't have the energy to get up and go to church today because I overslept. And I set an alarm to get up, but basically we were just gonna try out different churches. We said we're gonna try to do Bible study too, but I was like, since we didn't get up and go to church, I think going to the Biblical Art Museum would be really good because, you know, still, you know, spending time with God in a different way. So, but I'm excited. I've never been to a museum like that, and I love a good museum. I feel like it's so artsy, so fun, so cute. So yeah, I'm excited. We're gonna go to Longhorn after. So Jami's been talking about going to Longhorn for forever. So yeah, I can't wait to show you guys my dress. It's like a simple black dress, but I don't know, I feel so cutesy in it. I don't know, it just gives like girly girl vibes. But yeah, I will pick up the camera when we get to the museum. Love you guys.
Name's to leave or something.
Right, we made it, guys. About to walk in. This is the building. Ooh, it's a bell. Cool. There's a lot of people here. This is actually very packed. Okay, we're gonna go in. Sorry.
what's up, man.
When I was commissioned to do that, my first thing was to read those scriptures, to try to understand the needs of this and God gave us an incredible idea of having Christ in order for you to, which I've never seen done before.
You guys, we're outside in the garden area now. They have some more sculptures. It was a really great visit, 10 out of 10. I got a little $4 piece of art. I really like this artwork. There's some sculptures out here. Smells like somebody cooking some barbecue too.